Hi guys, what's up? Russ Show here, and today we're going to be unboxing something. I don't know what yet, but let's take a look and see. Well, I do know what I should say. Hang on a minute. Come on, you little bastard. Yeah, oh fucking hell, I didn't realise it was that big. So I've got an easyLink poster. I thought it was only a tiny little thing. Obviously it's not. It says your local bus service. Well, it's not my local bus service, obviously. It says your new easyLink bus service has been introduced as part of the Wigan City Challenge into whatever that says, to make travelling around Wigan easier for everyone. Cool. I can't remember what date it was, but I'll put it in the text. So yeah, quite a rare thing. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail now. It's the only thing today, so yeah, let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.